Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll make a smart door lock system with face recognition using ESP32CAM. Let me show how the circuit works. First, I have to enroll my face. As you can see, it will take some sample pictures to enroll a face. After that, whenever it detects any enrolled face, it will unlock. In here, you can see the door and the face doesn't match with enrolled faces, it will lock the door. So that's how the circuit works. During the video, I share the circuit diagram, the code for the project, and explain how the circuit works in detail. So let's get started. Now, these are the components required to make this ESP32CAM project. But before making the circuit, you have to program this ESP32CAM board. For that, I will use this FTDI232 USB to serial interface board, and I will connect these two boards as the circuit diagram. I will connect this ESP32CAM with my laptop to upload the code. Before uploading the code, you have to copy this URL and then go to File, Reference, and here you have to paste your URL. I also shared the details in the description below. After that, you have to go to Tool, then Board Manager, and from the Board Manager, you have to install ESP32 board. You can see I've already installed it. After that, you have to come down and insert your Wi-Fi credentials. In here, Wi-Fi name and their Wi-Fi password. Then go to Tools and select ESP32 Rover Module board and have to select these settings. In the partition scheme, you have to select QJAP, select the port, and after that click on the Upload button to upload a code. Now, after uploading the code, first I have to remove these wires which connected to GPIO with ground. Now I go to Serial Monitor. In there, if I press the reset button, you can see the IP address. I have to type this IP in the browser to see the screen, which we'll see later. I disconnected the ESP32CAM. and the circuit diagram look like this. According to this circuit, we will supply 12 volt DC as the input, and I have used 7805 regulator to supply 5 watt to ESP32CAM, and with this TIP122 transistor will control this 12 watt electronic lock. As you can see, the base of that transistor connected with the GPIO of 12 and these two LED connected with GPIO 14 and GPIO 13. And this diode is important to protect the transistor from the negative plugs. And also we have to use solenoid electronic lock. I have made the circuit on the breadboard. Now I'll give 12 volt supply to the circuit and you can see the red LED on. Now I'll go to browser, type the IP address. Here, if I click the start stream, you can see the screen video started. You can see this is my illustration to the face recognition smart door lock. At first, you cannot enter the door unless you are not a verified person. As you can see, after detecting my face, it will unlock the door. So, this is how the IoT based smart door lock circuit works. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it.